Convert and share a Blender file with ALY. This is a demonstration of the ALY service, which allows you to easily convert 3D files into shareable web panoramas without any special CAD software. ALY currently supports social login using Google, but we are working on Facebook and other providers. You can also register using a good old-fashioned email address and password. I'll use Google. Let me grab my password. Are there other social login providers that are important to you or your organization? Please let us know. Don't you love licenses? Our lawyers do, and we need permission to distribute your models, but your content always belongs to you. We also send an email to validate your identity. Sometimes it may end up in spam or another folder, so check carefully. Mine landed in promos. Click the link and you should be good to go. Welcome to ALY. You can use this portal to explore models that have been uploaded by your community. We'll be expanding this area to help you promote your designs, products, finishes, and furnishings. Let's create a project so you can see how easy it is. Click New Project to start the process. You can fill in a name and description that will appear in the portal and when you share your project URL. You can set the resolution and render quality. 1K draft renders are free, so let's start there. For this demonstration, we will be converting a Blender file depicting an apartment interior. To use a Blender file with ALY, it must contain cameras. Each of these cameras will be rendered to a panoramic view. The Blender file should also have packed assets. To pack them, check Automatically Pack into Blend, or select Pack All into Blend. ALY is able to read files from popular cloud storage platforms. Currently, Dropbox and Google Drive are supported, but our system uses the powerful rClone tool to perform transfers, and we plan to support many of the storage providers it can talk to. If you have a preference that we do not yet support, like Microsoft OneDrive or Box.com, contact us and let us know. Now, let's connect the file to our project. First, we press the New File button and we will be presented with a list of cloud providers. Since we've uploaded our file to Dropbox, we'll choose that. Then we can sign into Dropbox. We'll stick to using Google for single sign-on. Since our app is still in beta, you will receive a warning from Dropbox. Click to continue. Then grant ALY read-only access to your files and basic account information. Now that the account is connected, we can select the apartment file that we uploaded earlier. Once the file is attached, you will need to wait for the system to download the file and probe it for cameras. Once the status changes to probed, you can switch to the Cameras tab to monitor the rendering process. This will take a little time, so you have to be patient. This recording has been sped up. The original process took about 10 minutes. Even though rendering the views takes some time, the final product comes up immediately. Once all of the camera views have populated, you can disable any unwanted views with the switch on the right of each view. The gold star selects which camera view will be used as a cover image for listings and when sharing. The Details tab will allow you to change the permissions on the project from private to public and share your creation with the world. For a more interactive experience, the Share creates an interactive session URL that you can send to other users by chat, email, or any other tool. Click back to the full screen view and you can now freely look around your model with a 360-degree web panorama. The floating action button on the lower right allows you to select other camera views. When any user in the session changes the camera, all of the other users will switch to the same view. This makes it easy to communicate about your model, and the only tool a participant needs is a web browser. With ALYVR, creating web panoramas from your 3D models no longer has to be an expensive and time-intensive process. We look forward to seeing your creativity in action. This concludes our demonstration. Please visit ALYVR.com to learn more and try the process with a 1K render for free. Thank you.